I'm going to be sharing the app that I built on my Mac Mini to replace a website that I had built to do a research study within my industry for mortgage loan originators. I'd originally built this in Lovable. I started my own business last year, and a friend showed me this, and I was like, dang, this is way better than Squarespace. But after a little while, and after embarking on this journey to conduct this research and then present it at a conference actually this year in October, I took it a step further after I started collecting survey data via Typeform, which was cool and all, but it gets pretty expensive actually on the plans that you need to have like some of the AI enabled stuff. And so I just took it to Claude Code and I said, can we do this? Like, can we replicate the entire website that we built or that I built on Lovable and Typeform, the Typeform experience? And that's what we did. So we built the entire website that I had by just taking the code out of Lovable and dropping it into Claude Code, Visual Studio Code on my Mac Mini, and didn't just stop there, actually created the exact same Typeform experience right here in my app. And as soon as it gets all of this data from the surveys, it gets to work. So all of that data goes into one of my favorite tools to use, period, Airtable. And so all the survey data comes in here, and it even tracks the funnel events, right? So if somebody doesn't complete the survey, I know that as well. But for everybody who does, it tracks all the different responses that they have. And it's now via an MCP through a data company within the mortgage industry called Model Match. We have MCP access to their production data. So for each person who completes the survey, it grabs all of their production over going back to 2017. With that data, I'm able to really compile an analysis. So I have a research assistant now on in the Mac Mini powered by Claude Code that is helping me do comparative analysis to really hone in on the findings from this research. So I built this to solve a problem I actually have for myself and just streamline the process for this as well. And now I don't have to go look up for every loan officer that completes the survey before I go into their interviews. I just automatically have all their production data, and my research assistant serves that right up to me before I go into the recorded interview to meet with them. So I am going to be presenting this data live, conference reveal style, my first keynote ever at the Momentum Builder Conference in Dallas in October. And so this is my entry for the Vibe Coding Academy first ever hackathon.